Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mini Cryptic. Today's clue is face masked men cough no more. Am I removing... The exclamation point suggests an andlet, so the whole thing is both the clue and the definition. Am I removing the word more from something? I don't see any R's, so probably not. But, I mean, I guess you could remove a synonym for more from something? Mas is Spanish for more? Doesn't seem very good. Face masked men. Face masked suggests, like, maybe removing the first letter of something, masking its face. I don't know. What would, I mean, like, cough syrup would make you cough less. Is there a British word for that? Some joke that I don't get? A lozenge is too long to fit here. I mean, face masked men could just be EN, as I was saying. But I don't know what that has to do with anything. The problem is if I ask for a definition or an indicator, if I ask for a definition, I'll just tell me that's the whole thing, silly. What are the indicators? Not deletion, but concealment somehow. Mask certain letters? Pay attention to the remaining unmasked? Ah, I guess. EN, yes. So I had the idea of face masked men, but I was kind of focused on it being an andlet, which it isn't. What's this exclamation point doing here? So we have EN, and then we can also mask off the C of cough. So both men and cough are face masked, leaving us with enough. Weird, because the indicator, asking for the indicator didn't tell me anything I didn't already know, but I guess it kind of did. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.